Hey, this is Shay here again for another video. Today, I want to show you a brand new campaign that I actually just started a few days ago. And right now, I've decided to show you because I really want to help encourage people who, are looking for ways to make money online. In this video, I really think I'm going to be able to show you some things you've perhaps either never seen or never heard of before. So keep watching until the very end. And the campaign that I'm about to show you, the Make Money Online campaign, is already making roughly $300 a day. And I actually only just started this campaign a few days ago, as I said. And I recently just also showed my students just the other day, so I really want to get this out to someone such as yourself. Again, perhaps you are looking to make your first bit of money online. Maybe you haven't made any money yet, or maybe you are making a little bit of money but you are trying to get to that next income level. Well, I can help you with all of that, so let's just jump in right now. And this is the first network that I want to show you, and this is one of 3 total. Okay, so I'm just going to cruise through all the 3 right now, and what I actually do is I use something called a link rotator or click rotator, and that spreads out a single traffic source amongst multiple different campaigns or networks. So just on this one here, and just so you can see the dates, I'll just expand these out. As you can see, these are the 2 main offers that I was running, so I'll mainly focus on those. Today is the 11th of May right now, and I started this on the 8th, as you can see. Okay, so only a few days ago or so, barely even 4 days, because we're only just over halfway through today on the 11th. So just keep that in mind as well as I'm going through this video and showing you the other networks as well. And before I go any further, here's something that you may have never heard of before, and that is getting paid for generating clicks. Yes, that's right. I'm actually right here, for example, in this first network here, I'm actually not generating leads or sales or, pay-per calls or anything like that. I'm actually generating clicks, and I'm getting paid for each one of those clicks. And in this case, if we look at, let's say, for example, just a couple days ago, I was getting paid for this offer $1.90 per click. This offer down here, okay, $2.03, and they range a lot. But this network here was specifically converting a little higher than some of the others, the other 2 that I'm about to show you. So I pushed a little more traffic to this one. So just a bit over $700 has been made in that one so far. I just want to jump over to the next network here. And this one's really cool, specifically, as you can see, the same dates. Okay, so I started the campaign on the 8th, today is the 11th, as you can see. So check out the EPC right here, earnings per click on this one. As I said, on the previous network, I was getting up to $2 a click. This one, as you can see, the average is $6.16 per click, but it actually got up to, so far, $6.30 per click. And as you can see, just 14 clicks were generated, and that made $88.20 just for yesterday. And again, just keep in mind, I only just started this campaign, and you might be asking yourself, well, why are you showing me a campaign that you just started, Shay? And the reason is because when my students see that I'm still creating brand new campaigns from scratch right now today, it super encourages them and gives them belief that they can do it as well, especially with my help and my support, and showing them everything they need to do behind the scenes to make this happen for themselves. It's all possible when of course you have someone that knows what they are doing, and they are able to give you some time and show you what to do. So that is network 2. Just almost $265 added on Alright, to the 702. I'm just going to go to the third network right now. So same dates again, from the 8th of May to today so far. And this one has slowly actually picked up. As you can see, the average RPC or revenue per click is just over $4.70 there. So another $241 made so far in this network as well. So, if we average all that out, it's roughly just over $300 a day already. So for me personally, yes, this is looking like a really awesome campaign, and I'm certainly going to keep it going and continue updating my students and help them out with it as well. But one of the other super important reasons why I made this video today is to give you the opportunity for a short amount of time to get access to this as well. I'm willing to show anyone who is truly serious exactly what I'm doing here, and how to set up money-making campaigns from absolute scratch. So if that's you, if you are serious and you honestly really want to know what I'm doing here and how I'm even getting paid for generating just clicks, then I can show you, but all you have to do is take action. Okay, so take action right now while I have this thing open still, and all you have to do to take action is just click the link in the description. Alright, I'm going to have just a quick short bit.ly link right at the top. It'll be the first thing there, so just click that link in the description now. Then I'll also just jump over to my site right now just to show you what you'll see after you click the link. Alright, so you'll see my site just like this. Then all you have to do is just enter in your best email address here on my site. Okay, so just enter that in and then click the Get Instant Access button here, and then I'm going to give you full access straight away. And to get that full access, there's just one last super easy thing to do then, and that is to go check your email address. Alright, so the inbox, the email that you just typed in on my site and entered in, go check that inbox. Okay, look for my welcome email because it's going to contain a bunch of super important information to get you started right now. And hey, if you have any questions at all, as soon as you open up my welcome email, all you have to do is just hit reply on that. It'll come back to me and I'll be able to answer any questions you have. So that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take action, do it now today, and I'll see you on the inside.